Welcome to the Massive Open Online course Designing Multidimensional Poverty Index. My name is Victoria, and in the short video, I'll walk you through our course room and show you how to complete the weekly activities. When you enter the course room, you'll find yourself on this page. There are several resources here that could be useful to you. If you need technical assistance, you can contact the course coordinator here. You can access the frequently asked questions here. You can learn about the experts facilitating this course in the Meet the Experts tab here. And you can find information about the course completion requirements here. There are 5 required components of the course. We ask that you complete 5 lessons, watch all the course lectures, pass 5 quizzes, pass the final test, and share your feedback in the course survey. Once you complete these requirements, you'll be able to download your certificate of course completion directly from this page. You will see a button that says Download Your Certificate in the course content section here. Now let's walk through the material that you will encounter during each week of the course. I'll click on week 1 to show you the typical weekly activities. Content will be published each Sunday for the week ahead. So the week 1 section contains the lesson, the video lectures, the case study videos, and the quiz. Now how do these components work together? The lessons provide a theoretical background for the topic discussed each week. The lessons are mandatory, so when you have finished reviewing them, please remember to click the Mark Complete button so we have a record of your lesson completion. The weekly lectures feature course experts who take a deeper dive into the weekly topics. The case studies provide an opportunity to explore the process of designing a national multidimensional poverty index in a particular context. And finally, when you're ready to wrap up the week, all you need to do is take the weekly quiz to test your comprehension of the week's content. To pass the quiz, you must receive a score of 60% or higher. If you don't get all the questions right the first time around, don't worry, you can retake the quiz as many times as you need. After you've reviewed the lessons and the lectures, explored examples of MPI design through the case studies, and checked your understanding of the content by taking the quiz, you can bring this information together and discuss it with the course experts and other participants. At the top of the course content section, you'll find the discussion forums. They're categorized by language: English, Spanish, French, and Russian. We invite you to use the forums to discuss and ask questions about the course content, lessons, lectures, case studies, quizzes, reflect on the recommended prompts for each week, and share additional resources. The forums are facilitated by the course experts. Please note that week 2 of the course is optional. During this week, you can watch the recommended lecture, complete the additional readings, and reflect on suggested prompts, or take this additional time to complete the activities of week 1. Weeks 3 to 6 will follow the same format as week 1. In week 7, we will conclude the course with 2 additional components, the final test and a brief survey about your learning experience. Now you might wonder, how do I know if I'm on track with all the course activities? At any point in the course, you'll be able to easily track your progress. Once you complete an activity, you will see a check mark next to that activity. Your course completion certificate will be automatically generated once all the activities on the course homepage contain these check marks. And that's it! Each Monday throughout the 7-week course, starting on March 14th, you'll receive an email from the course team outlining the content for the week. If at any point during the course you're not sure about the course requirements, we invite you to reach out to us at info@learningfornature.org. One last point before we wrap up this video. Throughout the course, we encourage you to be active on the discussion forum. Learning for Nature offers an opportunity to easily interact with each other, send messages to the Learning for Nature community members, and have a lively discussion. We hope you will take advantage of this interactive environment and look forward to all the discussions with you. Get started right now by introducing yourself to the course experts and fellow participants in the Meet and Greet section of the course homepage. Once again, we're excited to welcome you to the course and look forward to your participation.